Alright, so here's the Google Play Store which I've currently opened up in my car system. Let's just go ahead and search for Headunit Reloaded. I've searched it previously, so the terming is already available there. So this is Headunit Reloaded Emulator HUR. This is the full version. I've paid and bought for the full version. Alright, so this is the app and it's currently opened up. But before I actually show you the app, it's very important that I show you the detail regarding this, specifically the version number of this app. So as you can see right now, this is Headunit Reloaded version 7.2.3. Let me just zoom in a bit more so that you guys can see it more clearly. This is Headunit Reloaded 7.2.3 that's updated on September 3rd, 2024, and it requires a minimum of Android 4.1, originally released on August 19, 2016. So this is version 7.2.3 released in September 2024. You won't find any other video showing you this latest update on Headunit Reloaded. So that being said, this is the app. Let's quickly open that up. So once you open up the app, this is the main interface, or should I say the main home page you'll be greeted with. So if the app is opening up like this, it indicates that the app is working properly. So for now, let's just exit the app. So come on to your main Android home screen and head into the settings of your Android head unit. So once you head into the settings, head into the network and internet, head into hotspot and tethering, and turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot of your Android car system. So currently I've enabled the hotspot, and the hotspot name is Andro HUR, and there's a specific hotspot password as well. The good thing is you can customize this. You can select your own Android hotspot name, and you can also select your own Wi-Fi password as well. So currently I've set up my own Wi-Fi hotspot name and own Wi-Fi password. So select one name and password which you can probably easily remember. That being done, just head back to the main home screen, head into the apps and open up the Headunit Reloaded app. So make sure that the car system stays on the Headunit Reloaded app screen. Alright, so I've currently opened up the Google Play Store and let's search for the app called Wi-Fi Launcher within this. So here's the Wi-Fi Launcher. Alright, so Wi-Fi Launcher is currently installed. Let's quickly open that up. So as soon as you open up the Wi-Fi Launcher, you're going to be greeted with a lot of notifications. So make sure you follow all of these so that Android Auto works properly well. So first of all, you will get a pop-up which will ask you to allow permission for Wi-Fi Launcher to find, connect and to determine the relative position of nearby devices. Click on the allow button. Then it will ask you to send notifications, click on allow, and then it will ask you to turn on Bluetooth, click on allow. Give it all the permissions basically it needs, and once you've given the all required permissions, the app should work very properly. So as you can see right now, it says that there are certain permissions which have been denied or battery optimization is enforced. So just click on this part, click on OK. It will take you to the next page wherein you have to toggle the switch to give it the required permissions. Then again you will have to click OK and again give permission to change system settings. Then again click on OK. Within permissions you will have to disable this particular option, that is pause app activity if unused. So disable this, head into battery and click on unrestricted. Then head back, then click on OK. Alright, so as you're seeing right now, you get this green tick mark right here. It says great, all permissions have been granted. So once this is done, open up the Wi-Fi of your smartphone. So head into the Wi-Fi settings of your smartphone, and as you can see, you see the name here on top, that is Android HUR, basically the hotspot name which is just set on your Android car system. So just click on that and enter the password which you have set for your Android hotspot. So I'll just click on the connect button. Once connected, let's head back. So now as you can see, all permissions have been granted. So you get a new pop-up saying internet may not be available. You just need to click on always connect. So once that's done, click on the Wi-Fi connection mode within the wireless settings and select the last option which says Wi-Fi client mode, which means car head unit will create the hotspot. Just click on that. So after you clicked on this, basically you're 99% done. All you need to do is just do one more single click and wireless Android Auto should pop up on your Android car screen, and that is to click on the start Wi-Fi service manually option which has been given right on top. Let's click on that, and there you go. Wireless Android Auto is currently streaming on my Android car system, and here is my smartphone which you were just seeing all this while.